Hey, what's that behind me? It's our toilet paper holder. Although it's not a toilet paper holder anymore. Now it's our hand washing towel holder, because we don't use toilet paper anymore. And I want to tell you how I gave up toilet paper. Our family does not use toilet paper in our home, and I want to share that method with you. I challenge you to try to give up toilet paper using this method. You can always tweak it to meet your own needs. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you would, and click that notification bell so you know when I post new content. Like and share this with somebody you want to challenge to try to give up toilet paper in their home. So here I am in my bathroom today. I just wanted to say hi at the beginning of my video because I'm going to voice over the rest of it. So let's get right on into the video. Let's go.
I put this little series together so that we could work on organizing our lives and trying to live a little bit more naturally. It's healthy for us and it's healthy for our planet, and cleanliness is next to godliness. All it takes is just a few quick changes that we can easily make, and it makes a world of difference. So here's how we gave up toilet paper for good and how you can ditch it too. So basically, toilet paper is a massive expense and it takes a big toll on our environment, and it's honestly not very sanitary if you think about it. So we can do our part to save the trees and the forests and not to pollute our waterways. And also, it's becoming pretty dirty on our beaches, and we can do our part to help clean up. So here's how we're going to ditch the roll. I just want to mention here that I do have links in the descriptions, but this video is not sponsored. So here I have a pretty box to show you. This is the type that we use in the bathroom, and this is going to replace your toilet paper rung or holder, and it's going to hold something else instead. And there are many that you can choose from that will match your decor, and it's really going to transform your bathroom into looking and feeling like a spa. And decorating bathrooms is a way to bring a sense of tranquility to your home. So what you're going to put inside, here's an example of an all-natural version of a wipe that is very gentle and natural. So this would be great for babies and sensitive skin. For us, we just use a regular washcloth, which you can buy in bulk in any color that you can possibly imagine. And you're just going to roll them up and put them inside or lay them flat. This will eliminate a smelly garbage can, which is trash again, or flushing things down the toilet, which pollutes again. But where do you put your used cloths? And won't it still leave a smell? Well, no, because you can use these wet diaper bags, which people also use for taking to the beach and putting wet bathing suits in. Basically, you use these for putting something that's wet that you need to store in a bag and not throw away. So you can get these in any pattern and any color. So what we do is every person in the house has their own. And that way you know whose is whose, and it's fun. You can kind of personalize it in that way. The reason why you're using one of these in the first place is because you're using your rags dampened, just like a baby wipe. These have little handles, so you could actually hang them on hooks. We actually put them in a bin in the bathroom, or you could just use another big basket to keep them in. So what do you do with the bags and the wipes once the bag is full? Well, all you do is put them in the wash. That's it. A few sets on rotation will never run out. Now, what about the cleanliness factor? While being vegan does generally help with scent, how do we make sure there's no smells going on and that it's sanitary? Well, the thing is remember, you're going to be using these wet, like a baby wipe. But what we do instead is we take it a step further, and we actually use a bidet. You can scroll through Amazon and find the bidet of your dreams. And what we do, since we live in the US and we don't have bathrooms that come equipped with a bidet next to the toilet, is we buy one that we can clip onto our toilet. So I'm going to show you the one that we use. And now you're not going to have to actually wet your cloths ahead of time. You can simply use the bidet and then use your washcloth to just simply dry yourself. So now you're putting dry cloths into your wet bag that are already clean. So you're really just washing them to make sure they're extra sanitary for the next time you use them. So here I'm showing you what it looks like. And here I'm going to show you all the little pictures all blown up. just so that you don't have to go and take your time to do this later. But I'm actually going to speed up a part for you in a second. But I do want to mention that bidets are a cost. They're not that expensive, honestly, but you're going to be saving so much money that you might as well just make the one-time expense and then not have to worry about buying toilet paper all the time. I could challenge you to do this. Just don't buy toilet paper anymore. Get the little box, get the washcloths, do the whole deal without the bidet. Just wet the washcloths and see how effective this is. You're going to be so clean. Anyway, you could just use the washcloths wet like a baby wipe. And then all the money that you're saving from not getting toilet paper that whole time, look how nice that looks. Doesn't that look nice? And look how you could just put that's not a toilet paper rack, but you can see how our toilet paper holder we turned into a towel rack. But look at that, it looks like a spa, it's so clean. Anyway, as I was saying, all the money that you're saving not buying toilet paper, you can save that up and buy yourself one of these bidets, like $50. Again, not sponsored, but here, I'm speeding up, that's pudding. I'm speeding up the video for you just so you can kind of see what it is. I'll play some music for you. We've been doing this for years. I kind of wonder and ask myself, why didn't we do this? Why don't people do this? We were not only buying toilet paper, but we were buying baby wipes because we're all about really being clean. And now we don't have to buy either of them. I just feel like this is a no-brainer. Look, you can clean your toilet with it. Multi-purpose. It's kind of like those old Where's Waldo books, and you're like, there's Waldo, and now you can't unsee him. So now I feel like, I don't know, why didn't we do this for our entire lives? And here's the specs in case you're interested. And again, this is just the one that we use, and you could just pick one out. I even saw a gold one in case that's your fixture color. I'm sure if you went around the internet, you could find a really nice bidet, one that looks great for you. Reclaim your cleanliness and your wallet and lower your footprint. You can apply this to napkins, tissues, paper towels, whatever you can think of, because this works. So the links, again, are in the description box below. Again, I'm not sponsored. If you like this kind of video, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know what else I'm going to be coming out with when I come out with it. I do music, ASMR, and things like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!